As the stress builds on the body, it could start with something small and just attack the throat, as we worked with that remedy earlier. But as it starts to manifest, if you don't have a solution to this stress, what's going to happen is it's going to start manifesting in other parts of the body. And what's going to happen after it goes to your throat is it tends to make you pull your shoulders in, because when you're stressed, you get a little anxious and your arms come up. Now, when that happens, you're stopping the flow of energy going into the arms. Now, how this manifests into insomnia and anxiety is just because the nerves are being pressured. You start to shake a little because the muscles get fatigued. You start to shake, and this keeps you up at night, and it also leads to future ramifications on the body, whether it be the breathing or heart rate or other things. So we're going to learn a quick insomnia recipe that also works with anxiety as well. It's a simple point. On the inside of the elbow, it's called heart point number 3. All right? When you have the anxiety, what you want to do is you want to calm the shoulders. So you do this on both sides. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just stroke down like I was working on the hiccup recipe earlier. And you do this about 30, 60 times. Now, if you really have a lot of stress or you really have a lot of anxiety, I suggest you do this for a lot longer period of time. You could sit and watch a TV show, half an hour TV show, and just massage this downward toward the small finger. All right, so this is called heart point number 3. If the stress is really starting to affect your breathing as well, you can go back into the recipe for large intestine 10, which was the diaphragm. And again, rub that down 30 to 60 times, or through that TV program you're watching. So again, if you have anxiety or insomnia, these are the 2 points you're going to use: heart point number 3 and large intestine number 10.